Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. So, Ben, today we're talking about family. That's a big and important topic in English.
Yes, family is something everyone can talk about. It's a good way to start a friendly conversation in English.
Exactly. And we will use easy English so our listeners can follow along. We'll also explain new words. Ben, can you tell us about your family?
Sure, my family is not very big. There are 4 people in my family: my mother, my father, my sister, and me.
That's nice. Can you describe them?
Yes, my father's name is Robert. He is tall and has short brown hair. He works as a teacher.
And your mother?
My mother's name is Anna. She has long black hair and she is very kind. She works at a hospital.
You said you have a sister.
Yes, my sister's name is Lisa. She is younger than me. She is 20 years old. She is studying at university.
That's lovely. So your family has 2 children, you and your sister.
Right. And Emma, can you tell us about your family?
Of course. My family is bigger. There are 6 people in my family. My parents, my 2 brothers, my sister, and me.
Wow, a big family.
Yes. My father's name is Peter. He is a bus driver. My mother's name is Maria. She is a teacher.
So your mother and my father are both teachers.
Yes, that's funny. My oldest brother is John. He is 30 years old and works in a bank. My younger brother is Tom. He is still in school. My sister, Anna, is a nurse.
So you have a mix. Some people working, some still studying.
Yes, and we all live in the same city.
Let's practice some questions for talking about family. I will ask you, then our listeners can try too. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
How many people are in your family?
There are 6 people in my family.
What does your father do?
He is a bus driver.
What does your mother do?
She is a teacher.
Great. Listeners, you can answer these questions about your own family.
Let's share some useful family words. Repeat after us. Father, mother, brother, sister, parents, son, daughter, husband, wife.
Children. Good job. Now let's make example sentences. My father is tall. My mother is kind. I have one brother. She is my sister. My parents live in Canada. Emma, does your family live close to you?
Yes, very close. My parents live only 10 minutes away from my apartment. My brothers and sister also live in the same city.
That's great. My parents live in another city. It takes me 2 hours by train to visit them.
How often do you visit your family?
Maybe once a month. Sometimes more, sometimes less.
Do you call them often?
Yes, I call my mother almost every day. We talk about the weather, food, and news.
What do you usually do when you meet your family?
We eat dinner together. We cook a big meal, talk, and sometimes play games.
What games?
card games, or sometimes we watch a movie together. What about you?
My family likes to go to the park for picnics. We bring food and a blanket, and we stay outside for a few hours.
That sounds nice. Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes. Every Sunday, we have family lunch at my parents' house. Everyone comes brothers, sister, even cousins. We talk, eat, and sometimes share news about our week.
My family tradition is cooking a special meal for birthdays. The birthday person chooses the menu.
That's fun.
Let's describe family members with adjectives. I'll start. My father is hardworking and patient.
Nice. My mother is friendly and helpful.
My sister is creative. She likes painting and making things.
My sister is funny. She always makes me laugh. Listeners, think of one adjective for each family member. We will ask some questions. You answer about your family. How many people are in your family? Do you have brothers or sisters? What does your mother do? What does your father do? What activities do you do with your family?
Good. If you don't know a word, write it down and check later.
Talking about your family is a great way to practice English because it's personal and easy.
And you can use it when you meet new people.
Exactly.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one.
And give this video a like. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Take care, keep practicing English, and
Bye-bye.